Did you know the very look of Star Wars, Blade Runner, and even The Matrix can be traced back to a handful of groundbreaking sci-fi artworks from decades earlier? These paintings and illustrations didn't just decorate covers, they rewired our collective vision of the future. Science fiction art isn't just pretty pictures of spaceships. It's the visual DNA of entire worlds, blending science, speculation, and raw imagination. From pulp magazine covers to cinematic concept art, these images shape how we dream about tomorrow. But here's the challenge. Sci-fi art is incredibly diverse. It's not just lasers and alien planets. It's surreal landscapes, cyberpunk skylines, retro-futuristic tech, and haunting portraits of worlds that never were. The problem? Many of these works get buried in forgotten books, obscure exhibitions, or scattered internet archives. People often recognize the vibe, but not the artist. And when we lose that connection, we lose part of the story, the techniques, the risks, and the inspirations that made these visions truly fantastic. Let's look at a few milestones. First, Chesley Bonestell, often called the father of modern space art. His meticulously detailed paintings of Mars and Saturn inspired not just movies, but NASA scientists. Then there's Sid Mead, the visual futurist behind the sleek dystopias of Blade Runner and Tron. His designs didn't just illustrate, they predicted urban aesthetics we see today. And of course, Mobius, the French comic artist whose otherworldly line work influenced everything from The Fifth Element to Alien. Each of these artists bent reality in ways that redefined how we picture the future. But one piece stands out. Chris Foss's colossal, brightly painted starships. In the 1970s, his work shattered the monochrome, military look of spacecraft, instead painting them in bold, almost psychedelic colors. Publishers thought he was mad, but readers were captivated. Those ships became icons, influencing everything from Guardians of the Galaxy to modern game design. Foss proved that the future didn't have to be cold and sterile. It could be wild, colorful, and alive. Science fiction artworks aren't just entertainment. They're cultural blueprints. They give shape to impossible ideas, inspire scientists, and keep our imaginations restless. So, which sci-fi artwork has stuck in your mind? Drop it in the comments and keep wondering.